Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based smart health monitoring system for elderly people using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and ESP32 live video streaming and as well as GSM-SMS alert, emergency alert. Okay, so in this project we are using one power supply board, 5 volts power supply board, and connected to the Arduino Uno R3 80 Mega 328 controller IC board. And there are the sensors 1 2 3 4 5 sensors are there. LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A1 and humidity sensor connected to the A2, pulse sensor connected to the A0 and fall detection sensor connected to the A4 and A5, ECG sensor connected to the A3, alarm connected to the 7th pin, SOS emergency button connected to the 3rd pin, ESP8266 connected to the 0 and 1, and GSM-SMS alert external serial communication pin 5th pin, ESP32-CAM live streaming, and ES16x2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. So this is our total block diagram of the project, and we have one app, okay, Android app, elderly plus Android app. Okay, so there are smart health monitoring for elderly people, temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor, ECG sensor, humidity sensor, fall detection, and here is the date and time. Okay, so now temperature sensor data in Fahrenheit, heartbeat, pulse sensor, ECG sensor, humidity sensor, and fall detection sensor, and date and time. Okay, so now yesterday and today, third and second. Okay, main screen, and we alerts messages are if temperature crossed 104, web page alert and SMS alert, humidity 40 above, web page and SMS alert, patient heartbeat alert 95, web page alert and SMS alert, fall detection detected, web page alert and SMS alert, emergency alert, SMS alert, call alert and live streaming. So here SMS alerts are web page and humidity alert help over temperature alert. Okay, so must and should we need to provide the mobile data on. Okay, mobile data on and Wi-Fi hotspot on. So Wi-Fi username is project, password is project 1234. We need to provide the Wi-Fi hotspot, and here it will provide the IP address for live streaming 192.168.43.106, and here also we can see the message alerts. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Okay, and connected to the here GSM. Okay, adapter power supply is given. So now adapter power supply goes to same bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, one power supply for the sensors, one power supply for the ESP32-CAM live streaming purpose. Okay, so here we are using GSM SIM 900A for SMS alert and call alert purpose. So press down SIM card. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Jio SIM card won't work. Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Okay, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. Slowly. Okay, press down and lock the SIM card. Insert. Lock, unlock. Lock the SIM card, unlock, open. Okay, press it, it will go lock. Okay, antenna, Arduino Uno R3 80 Mega 328 controller IC board, reset button and USB programming. Okay, so here ESP32 camera live streaming, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, temperature sensor connected to the A1, humidity sensor connected to the A2, and pulse sensor. Okay, pulse sensor you need to connect like this. Pulse sensor connected to the A0, and ADXL335 fall detection sensor, like left fallen, right fallen, like that. Okay, fall detection sensor ADXL335. Okay, connected to the A4 A5, SOS button connected to the 3rd pin, ECG sensor connected to the A3, alarm connected to the 7th pin, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, username is project, password is project 1234, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Let's start with the power supply. smart health monitoring system for elderly people using Arduino ESP8266 heartbeat Wi-Fi connected testing. Now here is the hotspot on. Okay, so two devices are connected. Okay, two devices, ESP8266 and ESP32 camera module also connected. Means we need to provide the Wi-Fi hotspot internet. So we have to see the live streaming. You can press, it will show you the IP address. Press it, ESP32 camera details. It will show you the IP address 192.168.43.106. Go to mobile data, Chrome. You can see the data. See. Okay, live streaming. Okay, live streaming. Okay, patient continuous monitoring system. Okay, we can see the okay, patient live streaming monitoring system. Okay, so ESP8266, we can go for the app. Okay, temperature. Now I'm going to increase the temperature first. Okay, first I will go for the SOS button. I'm pressing the SOS, long press SOS button. Okay, emergency, sending SMS. Now it will send the SMS here. Okay, please help me. We will get one call alert also. Okay, SMS alert as well as call alert. Calling. Okay, call completed. Now I am going for the temperature increasing. Normal. Temperature 104 and above. Okay, we can see the data also. So temperature 110. Okay, so here it will update and we will get one SMS alert. Now it is sending the data to server. Sent. Okay, sent completed. Now it will update the data here. Okay, 110 with SMS alert. Yeah, 1110 also came. 1110 SMS alert also came. Okay, now I will go for the fall detection. Okay, fall detection alert. Left fallen. Okay, sending data to web page. Okay, so thermometer I will arrange. Okay, there is no. Okay, fall detection alarm also came. Web page sending. Send completed. Okay, now it will update. Send to success. Yeah, fall detection equal to yes. Fall detection equal to yes, and it is sending the SMS alert also. Okay, sending SMS. It will send SMS alert also. Yeah, patient fallen. Okay, humidity alert. Okay, humidity, we are increasing the humidity through mouth. Okay, humidity 40 above. Humidity 40 above. Yeah, 40 came. .38. Yeah, humidity 44. Okay, so you need to place the pulse. If the pulses goes to 95 and above, web page alert, and so temperature alert. Now it will update the humidity. Okay, yeah, humidity 44. 44 came. So help me, SMS alert, call alert, temperature alert, humidity alert, patient fall detection alert, GSM module, power supply board, ESP32-CAM live streaming. Yeah, temperature, humidity alert also SMS came, and live streaming 192.168. Yeah, live streaming also coming. Okay, yeah, temperature sensors data. Okay, live streaming also coming. So So we can see the mobile data also, sensors data, live streaming. 16x2 LCD display, Arduino Uno R3 board, emergency button, SOS button. Okay, now it is right fallen, left fallen, front fallen, back fallen. Pulse sensor you can continuously wear, humidity alert, temperature alert, SOS alert, and here is the ECG and ESP8266 alarm. Okay, so live streaming and as well as call alert. Okay, live streaming and web SMS alert, and here is the website data alert. Okay, thank you.